Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar. So today's webinar's topic will be on importance of predictive maintenance through thermal imaging camera. First of all, a brief introduction about our company. Thomson's Instrument Private Limited is part of Pyrotech Group, which was founded in year 1976. It has three divisions: panel division, electronic division and temperature division. Panel division is taken care by Pyrotech Electronics Private Limited, Unit 2 and 4. Electronics division is taken care by Pyrotech Electronics Division 1 and 3. Temperature division basically is taken care by Thomson's Instrument, Marathon Heaters Private Limited, Accurate Sensing Technologies Private Limited, Accio, Thomson's Germany and Thomson's Asia. These are our core values and who we are. Our core is performance, and our products and services will help our customer to fulfill and even exceed their productivity and performance expectation. What we are a close partner having long-term relationship with customers, employees, shareholders and vendors. What we do, we provide solutions in the field of thermal and cables, offering industry leading innovative solutions. So before jumping into importance of predictive maintenance using thermal imaging, we will first try to understand what is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is basically monitoring the performance of equipment during operation using condition monitoring tools and techniques to predict the failure point of an equipment. So these performance of equipment can be monitored using a particular parameter or monitoring a particular parameter like temperature, vibration, ultrasound. So by monitoring it continuously, you will understand or pinpoint exactly where the failure starts in a machine. What is PF curve? PF curve basically tells you the potential failure starting point and the functional failure where the machine gets shut down. So if you exactly understand or predict the failure, you can save the machine from functional failure by just looking at this PF curve. And this PF curve, there are various instruments in predictive maintenance which detects the potential failure of a machine, like thermal imager, ultrasound, vibration, oil analysis. So by using these techniques, you can identify the potential failure and stop it from completely going into a functional failure. Thermography is a technique which exactly tells you how hot or cold an object is by using the infrared energy emitted by the object. So by naked eye you can only see the digital image as shown here, but the thermal image exactly tells you how hot an object is at what location the hotness or the elevated temperature in a machine is. How does thermal cameras work? IR or thermal imaging cameras works by detecting and measuring the infrared energy emitted by the object. The camera is fitted with lens that allows IR frequencies to pass through it onto a sensor. The sensor array, which is microbolometer, which converts the infrared energy to electronic signal. The processor converts this signal to different color map or colored thermal image, which you can see on the display. Now we will come to benefits of using thermal imager for predictive maintenance. First of all is safety. Use of thermal imager in predictive maintenance in plants increase the safety of plant engineers / officials, as thermal imagers can be used from a very safer distance in hazardous environments. Wide applications. Thermal imagers can be used in various kinds of equipments and application, makes it an overall maintenance tool. Reduce downtime. Thermal imagers can prevent unscheduled downtime of machines and your plant. Continuous monitoring. Thermal imagers is a very useful tool to maintain certain temperature parameters in the process, which eventually maintains the production and quality of the product. Fast analysis. Thermal imagers can very quickly identify the failure or anomalies in machine. reduce cost. Using thermal imagers can reduce the repair and maintenance cost of machines. Low light scenarios, the thermal imagers can also perform in very low light scenarios. Reduce maintenance cost. The maintenance of machine after it is completely shut down is obviously very high, as so thermal imagers can come in handy to prevent such situation and improve the performance of the machines. ROI, return of investment using thermal imagers. A proper predictive maintenance program can provide a savings of up to 30 to 40% over reactive maintenance, according to studies by Federal Energy Management. Also, according to some other independent surveys regarding industrial predictive maintenance, the following data were presented. Return on investment by using thermal imagers can be 10 times. Reduction in maintenance cost 25 to 30%. Elimination of breakdown 70 to 75%. Reduction in downtime 35 to 45%. Increase in production 20 to 25%. So you can see how much thermal imager can be beneficial for your plant and its safety and its production also. Now, before choosing a thermal imager for your application, you should keep in mind the following important points that we are going to discuss in the coming slides, like type of camera, fixed or portable. Thermal imagers are basically of two types: handheld thermal imagers and fixed type thermal imager. Now, according to your application, we should decide which kind of thermal imager is suitable. Like fixed type basically is used for very continuous monitoring or critical applications which require 24/7 monitoring, and portable equipments basically is used for applications which require only scheduled maintenance. Second is detector resolution. Detector resolution is basically the number of pixels that the thermal imager can have. More the number of pixels, the more detailing it will give you, the detailed image it will give you. So more critical application basically require higher resolution or higher pixel, so that you can get a detailed analysis or detailed image for the analysis. Thermal sensitivity. Thermal sensitivity is basically the smallest degree of temperature change that the thermal camera can measure. For example, if the thermal sensitivity of a thermal imager is 0.05 degrees Celsius, it basically means is that it can separate two surfaces having 0.05 degrees Celsius of temperature difference. So the lesser the thermal sensitivity, it's better for your thermal imager or better for your application, because it will give you a crystalline clear image, distinguish between various surfaces. Temperature range. The thermal imager chosen must be able to measure the minimum and maximum level. So the thermal imager that you choose must have the minimum and maximum temperature of your application. Lens selection. Thermal imager are having lenses to focus IR radiation onto a detector. So a lens should be chosen according to the application, and like if your application requires a narrow field of view, if your application is such that it requires wide field of view and the distance between the object is not that much, so at those applications we would be requiring a wide lens also. So the lens should be chosen according to the application. Other important features. The thermal imager must have other important features like emissivity, voice annotation / text annotation, digital camera, autofocus feature, which helps a lot during complete analysis of the image. Now we will come to some of the case studies of our application that usually our customers are having problems, and we supply these thermal imager to such applications and resolve those problems that the customer is having. Like first is electrical control panels. The challenge our customer usually faces is that sudden breakdown and melting of insulations in the conductors and phases, and the overheating of the phases also. So solutions that we provide them with portable thermal imager 256, Thermite 256. So with the help of Thermite 256, our customer is able to identify hotspot in their critical electrical panels for any kind of failures like loose connection, uneven loads, etc. Second is substation. Substations are basically having various kind of equipment like circuit breakers, isolators, power transformers, and many essential equipments. So the customers are having the problems that they usually face in the substation is that they have sudden failures of these equipments. So we can provide two for solutions in such applications: our portable camera, which is Thermite 384, or SparkView, which is continuous monitoring. So basically we try to provide online thermal imager, or we suggest online thermal imagers for such critical substations, so that the 24/7 the thermal images is able to detect any kind of failure which is happening in the substation, and gives you alarm and alerts all over your email and phones, so that if there is any failure that is happening during night also, you are aware about it. Refractory surface. The challenge our customer usually face in this application is sudden puncture on the refractory surface and heat dissipation from the wall of various ladles, kiln and furnaces. We provide our online ThermalCam 384 model. With the help of our thermal camera, the customer very easily detects surface deterioration on the refractory surface and act on it very quickly to avoid any kind of puncture in that surface. Building diagnostic. The challenge our customer usually face in this application is moisture buildup on walls, water pipes, leakages, energy losses. Solution provided: portable thermal imager, Thermite 256. As you can see in the below image, the above challenges faced by our customer are detected and addressed very easily. So thank you so much. Please contact to the below phone number or mail ID for any kind of application or queries that you want to discuss.